Even the Avengers team, even the Justice League team will go to your hotel, to your restaurant just to try, just to experience what I'm saying here. Good morning, everyone. First of all, to those who don't know me yet, I'm your new in-room dining manager. So I'm going to give you a brief background information regarding our hotel. Alliance Hotel is 5-star hotel accommodation consisting of 220 rooms spreading over 15 floors. Located in the heart of Adelaide, South Australia. It was established in 2011 by Australian tycoon, businessman and barrel manufacturer John Bunting. It is just a few minutes walk to Randall Shopping Mall, Adelaide Convention Centre, railway stations, trams, and Adelaide Central Market. A great presentation gives smart ideas and advantages. That was from Nancy Duarte. Point 8. The current hot food carts and trolleys are old and inefficient, leading to uneven temperature, maintenance, and a reduction in the food's quality when it reaches the guest rooms. Investing a new modern hot food carts with better insulation will ensure the dishes stay fresh and hot during delivery, enhancing the guest dining experience. So based on what I have researched, comparing with all the prices and all the models, we came up with this type of Matper Bouquet. I don't know how to pronounce, but that's the way it is. So, and I grabbed the opportunity because it has discount when we purchase now. The reason why we chose this because it's rotomolded for maximum durability. So it's very durable. Next one is rust, dent, crack, and chip resistant. So it not gets easily cracked and chip like what you see like Thor doing to Loki, and still hold. And free installation ensures food safety hours, hot or food. So it holds for more than 4 hours. It's better than the old one. It also supports between 2.5 inches or 6.5 centimeter full-size food pans. Because size matters, right? Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I'm saying about the pans. And it also has full swing doors for maximum access. Oh no, not that one. It's cowboy. So this one. Like, you know, it's like opening a door like a cowboy because it has a full swing doors, maximum access, and no electricity needed. It goes everywhere, even in space. We can use that. It's still hot. Food's still hot. Molded in ergonomic handles for safe transport. That means you are comfortable with the grip and easily maneuverable caster for smooth rolling. Even if you roll left or right, it's easy. Yep. Is it worth it? Yes, it is worth it. So we need this item in our hotel. Point B, we also need to upgrade our in-room dining presentation. Current food presentation trays and utensils lack elegance and sophistication, affecting the overall dining experience. Investing in high-quality, aesthetically pleasing food presentation trays and utensils will elevate the dining experience for our guests, making their in-room dining experience more enjoyable and memorable. So our team come up with an idea on purchasing this 24 pieces colored cutlery set for $185.99. Sorry. So why we choose this item? It enhances the dining experience. See, even Mr. Bean will go to your hotel to dine in, creating a positive impression that reflects the overall quality of our establishment. Improve customer satisfaction. They will be satisfied if they see, you know, good. Yeah, because you want satisfied.
I'm gonna finish like that.
That's fine. And this is serious. Increased perceived value leading to potential higher pricing for your offerings. If they see, you know, good cutleries, good environment, ambience, You can increase your you can increase the value of your what you are offering. Aesthetic that aligns with your brand, reinforcing your restaurant's identify and setting the tone for the dining experience. So it is impressive. Is it worth it? Even the Avengers team will go to your restaurant, to your hotel just to try and to experience. Point C, and the last point, our team, this is not urgent, but we highly suggest purchasing an industrial espresso machine so we can provide an alternative to filter coffee and generate an additional revenue stream. This would increase the department's revenue as well as enhance our guest experience with us. So we search, we Google some espresso machine, and this one really fits. Presenting professional Xenius Espresso. This is the cheapest in the market but most reliable and durable. It gives consistent quality. It delivers barista quality espresso right inside your room. So no need to get out. It's in your room. Efficiency. The machine is quick and easy to use. See, even the cat can use that machine. No, just kidding. It's easy and use. You can operate by yourself. Compact design. Its sleek and compact design fits well in small spaces. Even just in a small corner, it will fit because it's the size of the coffee machine is really small, like this guy, right? The diaper fits. Energy saving. It is very important because if we are environmental friendly, we need energy saving device. The Xenius is energy efficient with features like automatic shut-off, which helps reduce operating costs over time. Is it worth it? I may say yes, because even the Justice League team will go to your hotel, to your restaurant just to try, just to experience what I'm saying here. This is the budget figures. So we've decided to purchase 8 because we have, as I said a while back, we are catering 15 floors and 220 rooms. So we've decided 8 units for the room service hot box. And 60 pieces, 24 pieces color calendar set because we are catering 220 rooms. And for the espresso machine, although we have 220 rooms, we still have the old one. That's why we have decided to, it's just a suggestion. So we have decided to we will purchase 100 pieces of espresso machine. Those numbers that you saw, is it all worth it? I guess yes. By the picture, they are worth it. And the gentleman there, they said it's worth it. That's all. Thank you.